How to clear search history on Facebook. Now, to fully clear the search history that you have on your Facebook account, all you have to do is to go to your main menu right here and scroll down to the very end until you see Settings and Privacy. You just have to tap on that and click on Settings. Now, once you're on your settings, you just have to scroll down until you find this section that says Your Activity. And under that, you will be able to see Activity Log. So you just have to tap on that. And there are categories that you can choose from right here. So all you have to do is to scroll right here until you find Search History right here beside the Group Search and Videos Watch. You just have to tap on that and you will be able to see every search that you have made on your Facebook account. So all you have to do in order for you to clear your search history is to tap on Clear Searches right here so that everything on your search history will automatically be cleared and you will no longer have any records of having this search history on your Facebook app or your Facebook account. So that's how to clear search history on Facebook. Hope to help.